So this collaboration is coming, but the more I thought about examples of where it already exists, today we have this human-in-the-loop concept in every single commercial aircraft cockpit, right? We are flying pretty much on autopilot. But here's what works with this human-in-the-loop environment. First of all, there is clear role definition. The AI does one thing, the pilots have their jobs. There's a safety layer. There's priority of the human. The pilots can stop the AI at any point. And maybe the most important part, and I think this is where we all get super nervous about these large language models, is that if the pilot asks the AI why it did something, it actually can deliver an answer.